Woodworking is a timeless craft that combines creativity, skill, and the satisfaction of creating something tangible. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For those looking to turn their hobby into a profitable venture, mini woodworking projects can be an excellent way to generate income while honing their skills. The beauty of mini projects lies in their manageable size, lower material costs, and the ability to produce them in batches. Here are some creative ideas for woodworking projects that can yield maximum profit. One of the most popular mini woodworking projects is creating small furniture items such as stools or side tables. These pieces can be made from reclaimed wood, which not only reduces costs but also appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. A simple design with clean lines can attract buyers looking for modern decor, while rustic finishes can cater to those who prefer a vintage aesthetic. Stools are particularly versatile. They can be used in various settings, from kitchens to living rooms, making them a sought-after item. Another great idea is to craft wooden planters or plant stands. With the rise in popularity of houseplants and urban gardening, many people are looking for stylish ways to display their greenery. Wooden planters can be designed in various sizes and shapes, from small pots for succulents to larger rectangular boxes for herbs or flowers. Adding unique features like drainage holes or built-in trellises can set your products apart. Similarly, plant stands can be designed to hold multiple pots at different heights, creating an eye-catching display that appeals to plant enthusiasts. Picture frames are another excellent mini project that can be both decorative and functional. By using different types of wood, stains, and finishes, you can create a range of styles that cater to various tastes. Consider offering personalized options where customers can choose the dimensions or add engravings for special occasions like weddings or anniversaries. Additionally, combining picture frames with other items, such as wall art or shelving units, can create attractive bundles that encourage customers to purchase more. Birdhouses are a classic woodworking project that continues to be popular among consumers. By designing unique and aesthetically pleasing birdhouses, you can attract buyers looking to enhance their gardens or yards. Consider incorporating different themes, such as rustic cabins or modern minimalist designs, to appeal to various customer preferences. You could even create birdhouse kits that allow customers to assemble and paint their own, adding an interactive element to your product line. Cutting boards are another lucrative mini project that has a broad market appeal. They can be made from various hardwoods, such as maple or walnut, and can be customized with unique shapes or engraved designs. Offering different sizes and styles, such as charcuterie boards or serving trays, can help you cater to a wider audience. Consider creating seasonal or themed cutting boards for holidays or special occasions, as these items often see increased demand during specific times of the year. Coasters are small yet highly marketable items that can be produced quickly and easily. By experimenting with different wood types, finishes, and designs, you can create coasters that stand out in the market. Engraving fun quotes or intricate patterns onto the coasters can add a personal touch that appeals to consumers. Additionally, consider packaging sets of coasters together, as this encourages higher sales per transaction. Wooden toys have seen a resurgence in popularity as parents seek safe and sustainable play options for their children. Simple designs like building blocks, puzzles, or pull-along toys can be both fun and educational. The appeal of wooden toys lies in their durability and timelessness. They often become cherished keepsakes passed down through generations. Ensuring that all toys are finished with non-toxic materials will also enhance their marketability among health-conscious parents. A creative approach to many woodworking projects is crafting kitchen accessories such as utensils, spice racks, or recipe holders. Wooden spoons and spatulas are always in demand and can be made from various types of wood for different aesthetics. Spice racks can be designed to fit specific spaces in kitchens, catering to consumers looking for organization solutions. Recipe holders that provide a stylish way to display cookbooks or tablets while cooking can also appeal to home chefs. Jewelry boxes are another mini project idea that combines functionality with elegance. By designing beautiful wooden boxes with compartments for rings, necklaces, and other accessories, you can attract buyers looking for both storage solutions and decorative pieces. Personalization options such as engravings or custom sizes can further enhance the appeal of your jewelry boxes. Another innovative idea is creating wooden keychains or small trinkets. These items can be made from scrap wood left over from larger projects, making them cost-effective to produce. Keychains can be designed in various shapes and styles, such as animals, initials, or symbols, that resonate with specific audiences. Their small size makes them easy to sell at craft fairs or online platforms without requiring significant investment in materials. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Wooden signs have become increasingly popular for home decor and personalization. By crafting signs with inspirational quotes, family names, or directional arrows for gardens and homes, you tap into the growing trend of personalized home decor. You can offer customization options where customers can request specific phrases or designs, making each piece unique. Wine racks are another profitable mini woodworking project that caters to wine enthusiasts. Designing compact wine racks that fit on countertops or in small spaces allows you to appeal to urban dwellers with limited storage options. You could also consider creating themed wine accessories like bottle holders or corkscrews made from wood. For those who enjoy working with more intricate designs, consider crafting wooden puzzles or games. These items not only serve as entertainment but also as decorative pieces when not in use. Creating themed puzzles, such as landscapes or animals, can attract both children and adults alike. Pet products offer another avenue for mini woodworking projects. Items such as wooden pet beds, feeding stations, or toys can appeal to pet owners looking for stylish and functional solutions for their furry friends. Personalization options like engraving pet names onto bowls or beds can enhance the uniqueness of these products. Packaging plays a crucial role in selling your products. Consider investing time in creating attractive packaging that reflects your brand's identity. Eco-friendly packaging options may resonate well with consumers who prioritize sustainability. Networking with other local artisans and participating in craft fairs or markets can provide valuable exposure for your work while also fostering community ties within the woodworking community. Finally, keep learning and experimenting with new techniques and designs. Innovation is key in keeping your offerings fresh and appealing to customers over time. By exploring these creative mini woodworking project ideas and focusing on quality craftsmanship and customer engagement, you'll be well on your way to turning your passion into a profitable business venture. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.